Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making a fantastic soya chunky recipe. My pumpkin and soya chunk ka shami kebab. Wow, sounds good, right? I'm actually using this fabulous product which is made by Emami, which is Advans Soya Chunks, because this has panch kadam. What do you mean by panch kadam? Panch kadam means 5 amazing benefits. The reason why I use this. Firstly, they are just so good to use, and besides the protein content, which is of course there, dietary fiber is very important for you. Along with that, for immunity building, strength and nutrition, you have zinc, calcium and iron. So let's start. So I'm going to be using a nice light soyabean oil in this recipe. A little bit of whole spices to banti hai. Just a few peppercorns, एक दो इलायची, 2-3 लौंग, एक चक्र फूल और थोड़ी सी दालचीनी. ओके, एंड चलो तेज पत्ता भी डाल देते हैं. सो पहले तो हम इसमें एक ग्रीन चिली डाल देते हैं अलॉन्ग विद दैट. नाउ यू नो, गरम है तेल, इट स्टार्टेड टू सिजल. नेक्स्ट, अनियंस. गोना रियली नाइस सॉटेड. उसके बाद वी गोना बी एडिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ जिंजर एंड गार्लिक. सो नेक्स्ट हम डालेंगे हमारा pumpkin. Okay, don't underestimate the pumpkin, guys. It's one of the most amazing vegetables. I'm adding some of my soya chunks as well. Okay, a little bit of red chili powder, a little bit of dhania, jeera and थोड़ी सी हल्दी. Okay, and of course थोड़ा सा नमक बनता है. Chana dal or Bengal gram plays a very important part in this recipe. It adds to the protein quotient, and also when it's made with meat, it's used in almost equal quantities. The dal gives a fabulous nutrition. For me, it gives a lot of texture, a lot of flavor as well. I have soaked it for about a couple of hours, and literally it's going to take about almost 10 minutes to cook. तो अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर लेते हैं, और ये जो हमारी चना दाल है ये भी डालते हैं. ओके, so literally 1 cup of chana to 2 cups of soya. अभी हम इसे थोड़ा सा पानी डाल देते हैं. So next, mix this up. Our soya chunks will absorb all these beautiful flavors. Okay, we're going to mince this, and then हमारी शामी कबाब की तैयारियां हो रही है. Okay, हमारा basic mixture is ready. Now we need to just put it onto a tray right here, cool it down a little bit, and then into the blender. Fantastic. थोड़ा सा धनिया, some lovely पुदीना. So अभी हमारा smooth सा mixture ready हो गया है. Now I don't like to make it completely smooth. वो थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर जो मज़ा है उसका वो कुछ अलग ही है. Now we just need a little more binding into this. तो अभी हम थोड़ा सा भुना हुआ बेसन, थोड़ा सा कॉर्नफ्लावर, ज़्यादा नहीं, just a little bit, and then we have some breadcrumbs. Okay, अभी हम इसे मिक्स कर देते हैं. So everything here is actually cooked already, which means हमें क्या करना है? We just need to form patties and beautifully pan fry them, और हमारी शामी कबाब ready. So now simply equal size or almost equal size balls. I use a little bit of breadcrumbs in my hand, bring it together. So just nicely flatten them. थोड़ा सा shapings देंगे, थोड़ा सा nice. Now I was talking to you about the benefits of eating this. Okay. Now this is great because of its dietary fiber and the calcium and the iron. Great for nutrition. You know, that's why when people eat soya, at least when I eat soya and I'm cooking with soya, the kind of satisfaction जो मिलती है ना, एकदम you feel good, because I figure out that it has all the nutrients, but more important is the quality of that product. There are so many soya chunks which you can get everywhere. I don't like to talk bad about anything, but this soya chunks, I mean, The finishing, the flavor, the texture, it's just outstanding. Nice little crunchy, beautiful texture, crisp on the outside, soft on the inside. तो चलो हमारे crunchy वंची Shami kebab ready हो गए. You know what? I have a fantastic sauce which I love to use, which is called sriracha sauce. Sriracha sauce you can buy it anywhere. It's basically, अगर आपको sriracha घर पे बनाना है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Garlic, chili, ketchup. बन गया आपका sriracha. Now with that, I want to make a quick, and I call this, you know what? I call this a little cutting board salad. Why do I call it a cutting board salad? Because everything is just made here. Let me show you how. So I have some carrots here. I have radishes. Peel the carrots just like this. फिर उसके साथ radishes, okay? इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला. So nice chaat masala with this, a little bit of salt, fresh coriander, lemon juice, मिर्ची डालें, okay, डालते हैं, मिर्ची भी डाल देते हैं, and literally thinly sliced chilies, okay. You can omit it if you want. I just love it. So we have this really nice cutting board ka kachumbar. And we have these lovely soya and pumpkin ke shami, absolutely crispy. So a little bit of our lovely sriracha. Soya chunk and pumpkin shami kebab ready. Don't forget, ting ting, ring the bell, like it, subscribe it, and for sure cook it and let me know what you think.